Hello everyone, welcome back to another book review video. So today we are going to talk about 6 different books from my lockdown series which I have read during this lockdown. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. All the books which I am going to talk about, all are audiobooks. Few of them have the hard copy as well, but I don't have the hard copy. I have found them in Storytel. So if you wish to get the audiobook, you can get the Storytel subscription. It's quite affordable, so you can take it. So the first book which I'm going to talk about is Khachar Ghochar by Vivek Shanbhag. This book is one of the universal bestseller book, and the original language of this book is Kannada, but you can get the English version as well, and it is available in Amazon and Flipkart and maybe other offline stores as well. So this book is actually a psychological fiction. This was the very first time when I was reading a psychological fiction, so I was very much excited about it. The story started with a narrator, and the overall story is based upon his family and his newly wedded wife. In the family, they have different characters. There is narrator's father, mother, sister, uncle. So each and every character has a very different story, and all the characters, like, you can actually get connected with them because there is no gap in between explanation or describing of any single characters. There are very catchy points in each and every characters. So I really like this thing about the book. And then the total story got the push when the narrator when his wife came into the family, a newly wedded wife from a very different background to another different background. By the way, also the narrator story is all very much interesting. They were supposed to be a very middle class family, and then suddenly, due to some financial changes and due to some business changes, all of a sudden they got very rich. So these things were narrated on a very well manner in the overall book. This book is very small, I'm not sure about the hard copy, but I think there would be not more than 150 pages, so it's a very small book, so definitely everybody can read it. Now the main catch point, the ending of this book. I have read twice to understand the ending of this book because this ending is something like it's amazing. It depends upon what you think about the book. It depends upon how you are taking this story, in which direction you are actually taking this story along with you. So the ending is totally depends upon you. I don't want to mention any more thing about the book, but if you ask me whether I want to recommend it or not, it's a must buy. Like, if you are a person who wants to read a psychological fiction, not too much complicated, just a beginning, this is the best book. And the writing of Vivek Shanbhag is like awesome. It's a very good writing, very simple writing, not at all complicated. So you can definitely check this. Book which I'm going to talk about is Love in Pink City by Kush Vaishnav. So this book is a Storytel original series, so you might not get it in other platforms. So you have to get the Storytel subscription for this one. The story is about a girl from Bangalore. She went to Jaipur, the pink city, for some wedding function, and there she met a boy from USA. They talked to each other. They accidentally met, like, simultaneously, you can say, and then the overall conversation started. Story wise, it's a very simple, and maybe you might have already guessed the story. So there is nothing much exciting for me, but it's a fine listening, I can say. Like, it's a fine short story if you wish to listen. And the audiobook is uh, around 50 to 55 minutes, so it's actually a very short story, but it's a good one. The next book is From Italy with Corona by Amol Raikar. Again, another Storytel original series, and this book is about a Punjabi family, a newly wedded couple. They went to Italy for their honeymoon, and when they came back to India, just Corona started. So what they did, they tried to isolate themselves in a room, and uh, they were they were trying to protect their family, but somehow the chaos started, that why they are isolating themselves. It's a very funny story, again a small audio book, maybe 45 to 50 minutes, and it's actually a comedy story, so you can check this one. Next story is The Delhi Girl by Piyush Srivastava. Again another Storytel series, and this book is somehow very sweet and also very romantic. Those who love to read romantic books, you can definitely give it a read. Not read, you have to get the Storytel subscription to listen the audiobook. So the story of a Delhi girl, a typical Delhi girl who cannot imagine her life apart from Delhi. But unfortunately, she had to move to a separate city that was not even a city, it was a very small town, and there she found a person who helped her like anything. Actually, she was constantly getting into troubles, and that person was constantly helping her. And there is a catch, like how one stranger can be your only one helping hand when you are alone. These things are beautifully narrated in this story. Somehow I found it one of the best Storytel series from the overall Storytel collection, so you can also give it a try. Last book of today's video from the Storytel series is Twin Beds by Anita Nair. This book is one of the most hyped book of Storytel, because one, this is the Storytel original series, and second, the narrators of this book is the famous Konkona Sen Sharma and Satyadeep Misra. Both of them, we all loved them, and the narration of this book was too good. Like, I picked this book because of them only, because I was not sure about this story, but then I thought of let's listen this, and let's try how this book is going to take a turn. So the story of this book, the story of Twin Beds, is about a couple, how they are adjusting with each other, how they are sacrificing, what are their mindset, and how they are actually coping up with each other. Both of them went on a place, and then the story started, and I'm not going to say any more thing about this book, because then I have to explain this story. Personally, this story was not new for me, because I have read the similar type of story somewhere in some magazine, or maybe some in some other books. So the story was not that much exciting for me, but the narration was too good. Like, I am a big fan of Konkona Sen Sharma and Satyadeep Misra, and they both have done extremely amazing job in this narration. So if you are if you wish to listen this one, it's not that much big, you can give it a try. It can be a good weekend afternoon read kind of thing. So the last book, and the most favorite book of mine, is The 10x Rule by Grant Cardone. This book is now, this is my top favorite book. Like, I love to read self-development books, I love to read motivational books, but this book is something else. It's a life-changing game. Your goals, like, you have a goal, you have a plan, but how you can multiply your goal with 10 and then you can plan it. This book is about that. So it's a must read. You can get this book in Amazon and Flipkart. I will add the link in the description box. And also, if you wish to listen the summary of the book, you can get the Storytel subscription. The summary of the 10x rule is available in Storytel. It's a must read. If you have a plan of your life, if you want to be a successful person, but you need that knowledge that how you can start the journey, 10x rule is there. Just give it a read. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this review, don't forget to share this with your friends. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Doodle Moments. Take care and keep reading.